Hey, lovely people, Tempest here. Thanks so much for taking a moment to stop by. Today's video is going to be a little different. Lately here, you've been seeing more of my spring prep, DIY projects, and things of that nature on my channel. But considering what we are dealing with as a nation and even globally with COVID-19, I felt like it would be appropriate and responsible to just spend some time talking with you all for a few minutes about a few things that I am trying to be mindful of moving forward, and essentially just really working to manage my anxiety and the way that all of the news and all of the rapid developments are impacting that. And I'm sure I'm not by myself when it comes to that. So I want to give you a few things today. So the first thing is stay grounded. And when I say that, I mean we're having to be mindful of social distancing. Some of us are working from home. Some of us are just off work because of schools closing and retail stores closing and things of that nature. So think about how you can keep moving. There are workouts on demand via YouTube. Different platforms offer those, so you can still do that. Maybe you have some equipment at home, some free weights, a yoga mat. You can take walks around your neighborhood. For me, I've been trying to read my Bible plans, and I'm reading one called the 7-Day Anxiety Detox. I will put the details in the description box for you. That one's really making a difference for me. So just try to think about what those things are that will keep you grounded and keep your head clear. Because when we struggle from anxiety, that's one of the big things for us, right? It's just having clear mental space to not constantly worry and focus on certain things. So the next one is clean up, like really clean. Y'all, I scrubbed my floors and I was on my hands and knees. And today's the first day of spring. A lot of us are thinking about spring cleaning. So get into that closet, get that old stuff out, get down, get those baseboards, do a really deep clean, some things that we've been putting off. And if you're anything like me, you've been asking for extra time to do some things. Take advantage of this time. Of course, we didn't ask for this time under these circumstances, but nevertheless, here we are. The third thing is focus on personal development, if at all possible. And so when you think about if you have any free time now, for me, I'm still working, but what I'm realizing is that because I'm not commuting to the university, that I have a little bit more time because the semester is almost over. Projects and grading and things like that are winding down. So again, I have more free time. And because of social distancing, I'm not going out in the evenings to restaurants or on the weekends, and I'm just home more. I really want to start taking advantage of different platforms like Skillshare and Teachable, Brit & Co, and even YouTube. These platforms have courses that we can take to learn something new, to hone a skill, to try to advance, something that we might already be interested in. I saw on Brit & Co that they have some photography classes. I have a nice DSLR camera. I can try to figure it out a little bit more and try to practice my photography skills. Just as an example, there are tons of courses that you can think about and take advantage of. And I would encourage you to take as many of those as you possibly can, especially if they are free 99, right? So I don't want you to spend a ton of money on courses if you can't right now. Just know that there are definitely some free options out there that are available. In this same instance, in terms of personal development, read those books. We didn't listen to Marie Kondo when she said that you only needed, something ridiculous, like you shouldn't have more than a certain number of books, maybe 30. I have way more than that. I have a bunch of books in there that I even checked out from the university library, right? So a couple that I'm reading right now is Everyday Millionaire by Chris Hogan, and that's a big one for me, just kind of thinking about, financial goals and things that I want to focus on. So there are tons that are out there. I have a bunch of my Audible subscription that I canceled, but they still let you keep the books when you download them. And so just really thinking about reading a few things just for the purposes of just overall personal development. The Kindle app, you can download that. You can download still books from Amazon. So I know things are happening with their shipping, but it's another option. So those three were stay grounded, clean up, like really clean, and focus on personal development. The fourth one is put pen to paper. In some instances, this might be literal, but you get what I'm saying. You've, again, been asking for some time. Finish working on your business plan. Get your blog started, work on the website, start your YouTube channel, get a Facebook group together if that was something that you wanted to do in terms of building community around a certain topic. Do your first IGTV, record your first YouTube video, things that you can do while you're at home that don't take much to really get going and get started. The fifth thing that I would say is to try something new. Now, this could be a new recipe or just rearranging your bedroom, right? So my bed, I'm in my bedroom right now. So my bed is on this wall. I could try to switch it around and put it over here and move the dressers and the nightstands and different things just to freshen it up a little bit. Do a quick DIY. Yesterday, I was outside on the porch and I did my spring florals. I'll have that in a future YouTube video because I'm saving it. Again, I wanted to take advantage of this moment and just kind of try to uplift you a little bit. I baked bread today, y'all. First time in my life ever baking bread. It was super easy and it came out. It tastes really, really good. So those are the things that I'm talking about when I'm saying try something new, get creative, do some journaling. I have a bunch of paint supplies around. I could work on some projects like that, right? So just think about how you could maximize this time. These are my notes. You just saw me flip over so that I don't forget. So one of the things, I really had those 5 things for you, but this is another bonus, just kind of an FYI, something to be mindful of. It is really easy while we're home and we're scrolling on social media and we're on our laptops while we are hanging around, just, laying around on the couch or something like that, to see advertisements. And I'm still getting advertisements from some of the places that I shop and they're all offering sales. Don't get caught up in that and spend your money. There are holdups with shipping in general, so you're not going to get it anytime soon. You're not supposed to be going anywhere, so where are you going to wear it? You don't need it right now. I would just encourage you to minimize the shopping. Don't get caught up with Afterpay, even though a lot of the sites that some of us might frequent offer that now. Just stay as liquid as you can. Right before all this mess happened, my husband and I were getting ready to pay a bill off. It's a debt. We're still obviously managing it, but we were going to just send them the money. It's just like, be gone. And we decided that that wasn't the best thing for us to do right now, just so that we could stay liquid. We're not really sure what might happen. There are, different things are being impacted in terms of the stock market. And if you go back to that personal development, if you find some content and some free classes and really start to maybe learn what it means to trade and invest via the stock market, after this thing is all said and done, might be a good time for you to jump into that, right? So those things are all connected. It is my hope that you all are managing as best you can. And it's my hope that the 5 tips that I've offered for you here in this short video just kind of help you in some way. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with me some of the things that you're doing to just manage during this crisis, specifically if you are working to manage your anxiety like I am. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you need anything, you be sure to let me know.